Hi guys! Welcome back to Glitter and Om. I am Annette if you are new here. I am coming to you from work today because I got my Sephora order today and I could not wait to film this. So here we are. So I was a little dense when I placed this order and I completely forgot to add my samples to the cart. I did, however, pick out my deluxe size sample. I got the Stellar Brilliant Primer Base. It's supposed to be super hydrating and smoothing for wrinkles and pores, which I have both of. So I'm pretty excited to try this out. Although a good part of me is kind of hoping I don't like it because the full size is $50. The next thing aside from my order, I got the Beauty Insider birthday gift, and this year it's a little package from Bite Beauty. Comes with 3 items as per the usual. This cute little packet, and inside we have candy. No, but actually an agave lip scrub on the one side and an agave lip balm on the other. I love these packets, they're so cute. It also came with a bullet lipstick in the shade Chai. Cute little packaging there. I just love tiny things. There's the shade and the lip pencil in the shade Glacé. And there they are beside each other. They look pretty similar, but the pencil's actually a little lighter than the lipstick. And they smell like chocolate. As far as my actual order goes, it was actually pretty small. I only got 2 things, but I was just so excited I had to share with you guys. I've been dying to get these 2 things for months now. Months, like before Christmas when they came out. I got 2 Huda Beauty Obsession palettes. These were the 2 that I was dying for, and I waited to place my order because they were out of the Mauve Obsessions for the longest time. So they were finally unsold out. The packaging is just as sleek and beautiful as the actual colors in the palette. I'm dying. And the second one I got was the Electric Obsessions, and I've literally been obsessing over this one. It was, I think, the yellow, the combination of the red, yellow, and orange that drew me in, and then when I was swatching them earlier, this one, the blue, oh my god. It actually, the combination of the yellow and the dark blue was totally throwing me Kylie Weather Collection vibes. So that's literally it. It was a super small haul, but a super exciting one. I'm gonna leave you with some incredibly relaxing swatches to watch, and we will see you in the next video.